The Dencun upgrade is live on Ethereum, and this network-wide upgrade affects CarbonDeFi, Graphene, and the Arb Bot. The changes caused by Dencun are entirely positive: lower gas costs and faster transaction speeds. This video is not a technical explainer of the Dencun upgrade, blobs, or proto-dank sharding, but instead focuses on answering a simple question. What does this mean for CarbonDeFi, the protocols which use CarbonDeFi's contracts, and the Arb Bot? Let's start by looking at Graphene on Base. Base is an Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain, and Graphene is a DEX powered by CarbonDeFi's contracts. The Arb Bot is also on Base, and it services the strategies created by users of Graphene while also looking for other arbitrage opportunities. The first effect that Dencun has is reduced gas costs all around. Here is a transaction from the Base Arb Bot from March 12th, which is before Dencun went live. The gas cost was 0.00073 ETH, which at the time was about $2.85. Here's another Arb Bot transaction after the Dencun upgrade went live. The gas cost for this transaction is 0.000004 ETH, which is a reduction in gas by about 99%, which is an improvement so massive that it sounds fake. The primary point of friction in doing on-chain arbitrage is finding arbs that generate more value than the cost of gas. The Dencun upgrade means that many opportunities for the Arb Bot that would have been passed over due to gas costs are now going to be taken, with half of the Arb going to the caller and the other half of the Arb going to promote the sustainability of the Bancor network ecosystem writ large. And just like the Arb Bot, strategies on Graphene on Base will also have significantly lower gas costs for traders to interact with. Here is a strategy fill on Graphene on Base before the Dencun upgrade. It was about $3.56 to trade on. After Dencun, that cost has gone down by 85%, meaning that strategies will likely see more trades more often. The Dencun upgrade is a part of a massive chain of upgrades that have occurred as a part of Ethereum's long-term goal of maximizing scalability without sacrificing security. These improvements made to ETH Layer 2 blockchains are an extreme boon for the long-term viability of Ethereum. After all, so many alternative Layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche, Solana, DOT, Tron, Hedera, Phantom, Cosmos, XRP, and XLM all spent years working to create fast, scalable blockchains. And now it really does seem like deploying or creating an ETH Layer 2 is a faster, cheaper, safer, easier, more connected alternative to all of these opposing Layer 1 blockchains. Furthermore, ETH Layer 2 blockchains are also continuing their own development. Mantle, another ETH Layer 2, has finished its deployment of their Tectonic upgrade, which goes to show that projects seeking autonomy don't need an alternative Layer 1. There is still a significant amount of freedom to be found in another ETH Layer 2 deployment. As the Bancor network continues to license its technologies, the long-term sustainability of the project is reinforced. The CarbonDeFi automatic auctioneer is continuing to use the funds in the Carbon Vortex to reduce the deficit in Bancor 3. The Arb Bot is finding arbs and fueling the Carbon Vortex. In November of 2023, it was announced that there were ongoing discussions with a variety of projects on Base, Arbitrum, Canto, Phantom, Mantle, and Scroll. The biz dev and software devs have already seen to the guidance, deployment, and success of Graphene on both Base and Phantom, but there are so many more launches on the immediate horizon. We'll conclude this video with just one more integration. On January 31st of 2024, it was voted with 8.1 million votes for and 0 against to integrate a CarbonDeFi repo into the Hummingbot Gateway repo. If you're interested in licensing the contracts which power CarbonDeFi or having the Arb Bot deployed to your blockchain, please reach out to me on Twitter, Telegram, or LinkedIn. Links in the description.